Revered Principal, honorable teachers and my dear friends, great morning to all of you.
Great morning, Rashi.
My name is Rashi. I study in 6th standard. I study in Sunrise Foundation School and today I am here for mastering the concept, and my topic for mastering the concept is chapter number 2.
Chapter number 2.
Components of food.
Components of food.
What is our chapter name?
Components of food.
Components of food.
Components of food.
Do you know, student, what is food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you the material or substance
The material or substance
which we eat
which we eat
is called food.
is called food.
There are
There are
7 types of components of food.
7 types of components of food.
First is carbohydrate,
Carbohydrate,
and the second is
and the second is
fats.
fat.
Third one is protein.
Third one is protein.
Fourth is vitamin.
Fourth is vitamin.
Fifth is mineral.
Fifth is mineral.
Sixth is fiber.
Sixth is fiber.
And the seventh is water.
And the seventh is water.
Do you know, student, what is carbohydrate?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you. Carbohydrate provide
Carbohydrate provide
energy to our body.
energy to our body.
What carbohydrate provide?
Energy.
What carbohydrate provide?
Energy.
Now I will tell you the examples of carbohydrate. See here, what is this?
Chapati.
Chapati. Chapati made from wheat, and in wheat lot of carbohydrate present. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see here, what is this?
Rice.
In rice also the carbohydrate present. I hope you understand about the carbohydrate.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will tell you about fats. Fats are important
Fats are important
because they provide energy to our body.
because they provide energy to our body.
Now I will do one activity of checking the presence of fats. See here, what is this?
Ghee.
And what is this?
Paper.
You know that this paper is opaque. Now I put some ghee on it. What we are doing, students? We are doing the testing of fats. Now, see. From it, the light can pass.
Yes, ma'am.
You know that in it, the fat is present. And fats make the paper translucent. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
It shows that the fat is present. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what fat give us?
They energy and carbohydrates.
What fat give us?
They give energy more than carbohydrates.
Now I will tell you about protein. Protein are the body building food.
Protein are the body building food.
It required to regulate our body functions.
It requires to regulate
from disease.
And protect our body from disease.
What proteins are?
Body building food.
Body building food.
Body building food.
Now I will show you the examples of protein. You can see here what is this?
Pulses.
And in pulses what is present? Protein. You can see here what is this?
Pulses.
And in pulses what is present?
Protein.
Now I will tell you about vitamins. Vitamins are the protective food
Vitamins are the protective food.
as they protect our body from disease.
As they protect our body from disease.
What are vitamins?
Vitamins are protective food.
Vitamins are protective food.
Vitamins are protective food.
You can see here what is this?
Apple.
And in apple what is present?
Vitamins.
Vitamins. So apple is the examples of vitamin. Now I will tell you about mineral. Mineral are also protective food
Minerals are also protective food.
as they help our body
As they help our body
to remain healthy.
to remain healthy.
Mineral are also
Minerals are also
protective food
protective food.
as they help our body
As they help our body
to remain healthy.
to remain healthy.
Now you can see here what is this?
Salt.
And in salt what is present?
Minerals.
You know student, in salt which mineral is present?
No ma'am.
In salt the iodine is present. Do you know student, due to the deficiency of iodine which diseases causes?
No ma'am.
You can see here goiter. Her neck is swollen. And this case is?
Goiter.
Okay students, now I will tell you about fibers. Do you know student what is fiber?
No ma'am.
Fiber are known as roughies
Fiber are known as roughies
which prevents constipation
which prevents constipation
and helps in the process of digestion.
and help in the process of digestion.
You can see here what is this?
Fiber.
This is spinach. And spinach is the example of fiber. Fibers are known as
Fibers are known as
roughies
roughies
which prevents constipation
which prevents constipation
and helps in the process of digestion.
and help in the process of digestion.
The spinach is the example of fiber.
Spinach is the example of fiber.
Now I will tell you about water. Water is the liquid part
Water is the liquid part
of our food.
of our food.
It also helps
It also helps
in the process of digestion.
in the process of digestion.
What is water?
Water is the liquid part of our body.
Water is the liquid part
Water is the liquid part
of our food.
of our food.
Do you understand about the types of components of food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you all student opens your tiffin. Let me see your tiffins. What you have bring? Kamal, you show me your tiffin. What you bring in your tiffin?
Ma'am, paratha.
You don't bring fruit.
No, ma'am.
So this is not proper food. You have to bring fruits, vegetable and chapati. Okay, then it became the proper food. Now Lakshay, you open your tiffin. Oh, you bring fruit also. So this is proper food. Okay. Now Azan, you show me your tiffin. You don't bring fruit. You have to bring fruit from tomorrow. Okay. Then it became proper food. Now Kirti, you open your tiffin. You don't bring your tiffin. Oh, you bring junk food. This is not proper food. You have to bring proper food from tomorrow. Okay. Now Ishita, you open your tiffin.
I don't have one.
Oh, you haven't bring your tiffin. From tomorrow, you have to bring the proper food in your tiffin. Okay, Ishita?
Okay.
So, you all students have to bring proper food from tomorrow. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to bring the fruits, vegetable and chapati. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
When these three things in your tiffin, then your food is proper. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you understand this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you and have a nice day.